In our Kenya Kwanza plan, we have 5 pillars, and one of them is the digital superhighway and the creative economy. We want talent to be a source of income. We want to encourage talented people to take their talent as a business and develop it as a business and make money out of it, because it's a business like any other. So that you are not just harnessing your talent for the sake of it, but it also becomes a means of income. I want to urge our talents, Samido and the rest of you, make hay where the sun shines. And I also want you people to learn how to save, because you'll not be young forever. The journey ahead, when you grow older, you need to have invested your youthful life for the future. Let us pursue our talents and make money out of it, but let us invest that money so that that money can be a blessing to you in old age.